And I was nothing to it but to do it. 4 13s in the rear door. What it do, people? What's up? Welcome back to Easy's Rebuilds. I'm your host, Easy E. I'm still plugging away on this 2011 Ford Taurus. And today, I'm digging into getting the door cards off and the glass removed. So, keep on watching. So, to remove your door card, you gotta remove this little trim piece right here, and it exposes a Phillips head screwdriver in there. Phillips head, like I said, over here is 8mm. Then you got a 10 right there, another 10 in here after removing that, removing the cover from there. You got another Phillips head right here. They try to hide it inside that piece of plastic. And I use a little pry bar because I don't worry about pulling these off. They covered in mold. I got my gloves on. And to remove your door handle is a T25. Got to remove this little piece of plastic. Got to go right here. And you'll be able to see up in there. I don't see if y'all can see up in there, but it's a T25 bit to remove the door handle. Because I'm taking these doors apart. So, let me get to work.
Step 1, wake up, really gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Yo, set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 So life ain't easy, yo, I think there's a reason though. Ups and downs, just like every different season, yo. Sometimes I'm high, other times I'm barely breathing, though. I always gotta fight and hide from the demons, yo. Negative thoughts are poison, they rot. Head full of flies, so here come the clouds. They'll never stop unless I can swap all the bad for the good in my head when I'm lost. Yeah, so I'ma fake it till I make it. Positive thoughts are overtaken, I got patience. One day at a time is how you operate a cadence. A flow, you grow, you show yourself a foundation.
Now that all that's out, there's another 8 right here and a T20 on top to pull that side glass out. Then here I just begin pull all my wires out. Should I pull all my wires out? No, I'm gonna take the window regulator out. Got some 10s. So 4 10s. Should detach the regulator. Gotta unplug it. So I see what type of plug this is. I can't ever think it's easy. Man. Because I can't seem to get it unplugged. All you gotta do is press down on it. But nope, that's not it. Light. Let there be light. Don't know what type of plug this is. Alrighty, I'll leave it plugged in so I can see it better. So I'm just gonna push all these push pins in for all the wires on the inside of the door. Another one over here. Another one down here. Plug that. Another one for the window. Now I can unplug that one. The door lock actuator. I'm gonna pull it all out. I have no idea how you unplug this one. I see the lever, but there we go. I was pressing down on it, but as I wasn't pressing hard enough. So we got a window regulator that works. The car keeps trying to start. Battery dead. Door lock actuator time. That should be easy. Move the door handle. I can't see what the hell I'm doing over here. Say I don't got no shop. Hopefully that's far enough. And it was. Got the auto cover off. Pop the handle on out. Like so. Set that over there. There's a screw. Right here that you gotta remove. So you gotta loosen it up, because the whole thing gonna come out. Okay, that won't be a toughie. Got to break out. Should be another screw in here somewhere. I'm to break out a ratchet. So let the fun continue. Okay, that's how you remove the panels and the glass out of your rear. door of your 2010, 2011, probably 2012, 13, 14 Taurus. I might as well take these doors off where they are disassembled. Ain't nothing in them but the wire and harness, which I can snatch those out, throw them back in the car. Because the front glass, basically the same. But you have to remove. Yeah, it's basically all the same. There's a screw that go in here on one of these holes to hold the door lock actuator assembly. It's right there. That little screw right there. After you take all the other ones out, when that come out as all as one piece like that one did. Window regulator, same thing, but on that window regulator, you gotta drop it down to these little notches on both sides. Then you gotta push the little pin out. That's on the other side, little notch. You push them out with a flat head to remove the glass. On this one, I had to put the flat head behind there and wedge it to pull the glass out. Then you still gotta take that quarter glass off to take the old glass out too. So I'm gonna snatch these doors off. And I'm gonna say these two doors off, and I'm done for the day. Probably gonna take me a long time to get this car all disassembled, because I gotta stick to my schedule, my night shift schedule. So let me get these doors off, then we can say our goodbyes. So if y'all enjoyed this video, know what to do. Leave a comment in the comment section below. Share this video on your social media. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing to Easy's Read Bills. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you'll be notified when I release a new video. We have merch not like this at teespring.com. We take Cash App donations. Go follow us on Facebook, X, and Instagram. There's links in the description area below. With all that, stay tuned and stay blessed, people. Deuces!